Hey you guys, today we're going to be talking about the Arm & Hammer Clean and Simple. This is an in-wash scent booster that has lasting freshness because it uses no harsh chemicals. We actually get it in the pack of 4, so we have 3 more over here. And this is the Crisp Clean scent, and it's dye-free as well, you guys. So let me tell you guys, when Arm & Hammer says it, no chemicals, they mean it, you guys. They also have the lavender scent as well if you want to check that out, but I really like the crisp one. It smells like your laundry was done professionally, and it's just incredible. This is what they actually look like. These are the little scent boosts right there. So maybe you've seen the round ones or other ones in the grocery store, and let me tell you guys, these are incredible. They're made with 4 ingredients, which overall that's just incredible, and they also use baking soda, so you know it's going to eliminate all the bad odors that you have in your clothes and keep them smelling fresh, because that's the idea behind washing clothes. Not only do we want to clean them, we want to make sure they smell good, right, you guys? So to do that, check out Clean and Simple because they are incredible. I really love Arm & Hammer. They really are the best when it comes to cleaning, and they also have other stuff like detergents and dryer sheets if you guys also want to check them out. And adding all of these 3 in one load, trust me, you guys, your clothes are going to be smelling so amazing.